This is our moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, and oh, there, we found it again. Let me just set the motor speed to a lower number, like 6. This is our nearest celestial neighbor, and just looking at it through the telescope here, and there, yeah. It's probably the most easiest thing to look at, because you can find it in the sky really easily, because, I mean, it's the moon. But, just looking through this view here, you can see there's a lot of craters on the moon. It's covered in craters. Those are all, you can see they're definitely not just like darker areas. They're like holes. You can see, you can see the shading on them. It proves to you that they're holes. And some of them, if you look closely, even have little mountains inside them. You see that one right there that I'm trying to center, has a little mountain in it, and it's kind of whitish. And if we look down a bit, you can see these dark areas, and those are dried up lava fields, I believe. And you see that crater down there has a crater in it. You see it? And then you see right here, and you see this crazy mountainous terrain on the moon. This is through my eyes, I can see the general shape of the dark parts, but nothing like this. This is crazy. Getting a telescope is definitely something that you should invest in. And if you do get a telescope, don't get a crappy one. Try and actually get a good one. Because there's something called hobby killers, and those are telescopes not actually made for good views. Those are telescopes made for money. To get money. And so I recommend getting one from like the Celestron series, because that's a good brand. That's the one I'm using right now. I'm using the Celestron Nexstar 6 SE. Generally, telescopes, actually good ones, are generally gonna be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So, this one, we looked for a while to find one that was a reasonable price, and we found one that was $900, and that was some of the best that we could find. So, yeah, this is the moon, and you can see there's a lot of craters and stuff, and this is our nearest celestial neighbor. Yeah, this is just like straight with the views through the eyepiece. So I'm gonna probably do more on some other objects in our solar system. Maybe some stars and such, but DSLs are gonna be hard without doing a long exposure, so I can't really do raw video that super well. But yeah, thanks for watching this short, and bye bye.